So much. Huh. Yeah. Can't believe I had to reschedule this, huh? Yep. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, what's up? Yeah, I pressed the thing. I don't know when it's coming on. But anyway, the camera's on. Hello, friends. Facebook friends, YouTube friends, whatever the heck y'all call yourselves, you know. All right. The man with his glasses off in a mask. All right, so I'm beside the Lakeside Mall, you know. I know I said on the last video that I was going. I mean, the last live stream or the last video that I was going to the doctor and stuff like that. The buses was going slow. I was doing unexpected errands, errands that I wasn't supposed to be doing, and stuff like that, you know. So I better go to this bus stop right here, you know. Well, I'm gonna go to this bus stop anyway. Okay. So, all right, friends and family and whoever else that's watching this, either from wherever y'all are, or y'all watching it locally, or whatever the hell the story is. Is that sun in y'all eye? And by the way, my family is watching this too, you know. I don't know if my auntie is watching this right now, watching this later, watching this anywhere, you know, and stuff like that. So anyway, here comes somebody, you know, but I ain't gonna put that person on the show. So let me show y'all where I'm at. Macy's, yeah, that's a Macy's. That's my cousin's name, y'all. For some of you that don't know, that's my cousin's, but some of y'all seen on my show before. Okay, so anyways, as I was saying, folks, the person just passed me and stuff. So that person saw the phone in my hand. So I'm Facebook live streaming. If this is on YouTube, you know, if it's on YouTube though, well, should I walk? No, I ain't gonna walk inside. You know, I'm gonna be out here. You know, live in Metairie on Causeway. All right, Metairie on Causeway. Okay. All right. So look at this, Mr. Ed's Oyster Bar and Fish House. All right. Car-boiled oysters, seafood po' boy, best oysters in town. I never ate oyster before. All right. Now open Sundays. Okay. Sometimes I mess up on my reading. Oh yeah, I'm looking to see if a bus coming. Okay. So should I read the rest? Is on 3117 21st Street. Okay, on the corner Causeway. Okay. Excuse me. All right. Should I go back and wait on that veterans again? Or wait on the Causeway? Who knows? You know. So how you doing? I'm doing the show, in case you're wondering. So anyway, so somebody just walk by and let them know that I'm not talking to myself, you know. Okay. So I'm not gonna show the person, but I will show y'all downtown Metairie if this is downtown Metairie. Okay. Some people don't like to be on the show, you know. So this is downtown Metairie if this is downtown Metairie. They don't have too many tall buildings out here, I'm glad. You people know Dominoes 7 don't like tall buildings, but I'll be around tall buildings, you know. I'll go inside tall buildings if I could, you know. Excuse me. All right. So as I was saying, y'all, okay. Well, I don't see no bus coming, so screw it. I'm gonna go wait on the veterans, okay? So I don't see no Causeway coming, so this one. Well, I can't see no down my vantage point, but y'all see no. Well, anyway though, I might as well go wait on this whatchamacallit though. Okay. the veterans. I'll probably miss the damn veterans screwing around back here, you know, screwing around and stuff like that, you know. Late for a doctor's appointment, and I miss my damn appointment, because of my damn errands, and my so-called friend. Well, we're not gonna mention that person's name though. Okay, all right. If my friend watching this, he or she probably knows who I'm talking about. You know, I don't even know if she watching this or what. You know, haven't hung out with Domino 7 lately. You know, I wanted her on the show. You know, okay, her, him, what the hell ever. Okay, so anyway, well, whatever the heck else, you know. All right. Y'all see that building over there? It used to be Payless. Well, y'all can't barely see. All right. So I'm looking behind my back to see if the Causeway is coming. I don't see no damn Causeway. The Causeway take forever, you know. Almost forever, you know. About to walk on veterans, you know. Yes, indeed, yo. Well, I must say, if Domino 7 had a car, you know, if your boy Domino 7 had a car, you know, I'll be driving to the clinic, you know, and driving myself. But Domino 7 cannot drive because Domino 7's nerves get bad beyond the wheel. Like they say, you can't drive for yourself and people inside your car. You gotta drive for everybody. I wanted to drive at first, but hell no, I ain't doing that. You know, Domino ain't doing that. And enough for a friend of mine, you know, to be on Facebook cursing people out. Oh, look at the sun. The sun is shining. The American flag is in the way. All right. Y'all see that? The sun is shining. Oh, look at that. They're going to Causeway bus across the street. Y'all see that? And it's not one of them small buses, though. Okay. All right, let me run across here. All right. Now I'm on veterans, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I'm on veterans, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Where they usually have parades every year, you know. Yep. I know some of y'all not familiar with Orleans Parish or Jefferson Parish, you know. If y'all watch 504 road trips, you know. My glasses is coming down. Sheesh. That's why I Domino 7 hate. Oh, look, y'all. Veterans Boulevard dedicated in honor of all our veterans. Ain't that the truth, y'all? Yep. I'm on Veterans Boulevard. Salute, y'all. Salute. Okay. All right. So as y'all look around, though, look at that. You know, I could have went in there, but I'm not. I don't know if y'all people can hear me. You know, I could have went in there though. All right. Cause all I'm saying is, if I was living in Metairie, I would have made it to my doctor's appointment easily. You know, no, I don't want no appointment closer. Okay. Some of y'all probably say, get somewhere closer. The hell with that. You know, I'm planning on moving to Jefferson Parish. You know, I love Jefferson Parish. You know, Better than my old neighborhood, the St. Bernard, you know. You know, I'm sorry to say, but who want to go back to that? You know, one bathroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and 1 bathroom. I don't want to go back to that. Heavens no. Domino, I won't go back to that. Yeah, that's hood, you know. Hood, you know. Yep. Yeah, y'all look up there. Tastes like home, Ross's Market. Well, none of y'all don't care for Ross's no more. You know, after Mr. Ross's Sr. went out there to a Donald Trump rally in Washington D.C. You know, he said he didn't know that. Well, I hope he did left from there. If y'all can hear me, supporting Donald Trump, you know. Yeah, people gonna stop going to Ross's though. Doing something like that, Ross's go out of business. This an empty lot. What place this was, and the sign is gone. Well, I don't know if y'all heard me. I hope the sound ain't cut off. You know. Look everywhere, you know. Well, that's enough. Thank y'all for watching. Okay? God bless.